how to turn on or turn off one-handed mode for Google Keyboard or Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on General, Management, and then tap on Keyboard Settings, or you can go to Keyboard List and Default, and tap on Gboard. Next, tap on Preferences, then go down to Layout and tap on One-Handed Mode. By default, it is set to off, so you can choose right-handed mode or left-handed mode. So here I have set it to right-handed mode. So if I open up my keyboard, you can see it is set to right-handed mode. I can tap on the left arrow. That will move my keyboard to left-handed mode. I can tap on the expand button to return the keyboard back to normal. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.